Nothing is set to launch the Nothing Phone 3A series globally in March 2025. As the date approaches, the company has been releasing teasers, the latest of which showcases the device's side panel, revealing a new button. Based on a teaser posted on X, this button could function similarly to the iPhone's Action button. While its exact purpose remains unclear, the caption, "Your second memory one click away," hints at a potential quick camera shortcut. It might also serve multiple functions, such as activating the silent mode, the flashlight, changing focus modes, or launching the camera. Speculation among fans suggests it could either be an alert slider like on OnePlus devices, or a dedicated button for AI-driven features, possibly activating a voice assistant. Although Nothing has not disclosed full specifications, leaks suggest the Phone 3A may feature a 6.8-inch full HD plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The Phone 3A series will be powered by the new Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset and run on Nothing OS 3.0. The device is expected to house a 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging support. The design of the Nothing Phone 3A closely resembles the Phone 2A, featuring a centered camera module surrounded by 3 glyph lighting sections and maintaining the brand's signature transparent aesthetic. A leaked hands-on image provides a clearer look at the device, showcasing its refined design. Major camera upgrades are expected, with the Phone 3A rumored to include a 50-megapixel telephoto lens, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 32-megapixel front camera, while the Phone 3A Plus may feature a periscope zoom camera for superior zoom capabilities. However, recent reports suggest that Nothing's new phones will be called the Phone 3A 5G and Phone 3A Pro 5G, with the Pro variant dropping the Plus name. The 3A will have 2 versions, one with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, and another with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The Pro will have one version with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage. The 3A comes in black and white, while the Pro comes in black and gray. Additionally, both models could be the first from Nothing to support eSIM technology. Recently, the Nothing Phone 3A name is confirmed through UAE's TDRA certification, listing model number A059. The series launches on March 4th with a rumored second device called Phone 3A Pro. Nothing has partnered with Flipkart as the exclusive retail platform for the Phone 3A series, with sales commencing immediately after the launch. Interestingly, recent leaks suggest the iPhone SE4 will feature a traditional mute switch, contrary to earlier rumors of it adopting an Action button. This development raises questions, as a $300 device like the SE4 may lack a feature that the $500 Nothing Phone 3A includes. Share your opinions in the comments below.